Here are a few important things which individual taxpayers should know before filing their income tax return for the assessment year 2021-22.
Number 1. Choose correct ITR form. The Income Tax Department has notified 7 various ITR forms.
ITR-1. Sahaj. It is for resident individual other than not ordinarily resident having total income up to 50 lakh rupees. And also having income from salary, income from one house property, income from other sources, family pension income and agriculture income up to 5,000 rupees. ITR-2. ITR-2 is applicable for individual and HUF not having income from profit and gains of business or profession, a director of any company or anyone who owns unlisted equity shares of a company, and individual having more than one house property. ITR-3 is applicable for individual and HUF having income from profit and gains of business or profession. ITR-4. It is applicable for individuals, HUF and firms, other than LLP, being a resident having total income up to 50 lakh rupees and having income from business and profession which is computed under sections 44A-D, 44A-D-A or 44A-E. ITR-5. This form is applicable for firms, LLPs, association of persons, body of individuals, artificial judicial person, estate of deceased, estate of insolvent, investment fund and business trust. ITR-6. ITR-6 is applicable for the companies other than companies claiming exemption under Section 11. ITR-7. ITR-7 is applicable for persons including companies required to furnish return under Section 139(4)(a), 139(4)(b), 139(4)(c and 139(4)(d) only. Next point is number 2. Choose new tax regime or old tax regime, whichever is more beneficial. Next point number 3. Pre-filled ITR forms. This year, ITR forms will import pre-filled information from the Form 26AS, such as the taxpayer's personal information. Next one is verification of prepaid taxes with Form 26AS. Next is number 5. Payment of balance taxes. After determining total taxable income, applicable tax rates should be used to calculate the total tax due. After claiming credit for prepaid taxes, any taxes due on the tax return should be paid before filing the tax return. Number 6. Various disclosure requirements. 1. Details of all bank accounts. 2. Details of unlisted equity shares. 3. Details of directorship held in Indian or foreign companies. 4. Details of specified assets and corresponding liabilities in case the total income of an individual exceeds 50 lakh rupees. 5. Schedule of foreign assets. Next point is number 7. Reporting exempt income. Taxpayers are required to report the exempt income under Schedule I. Number 8. Change of employment during the year. If the taxpayer has provided to the current employer the income details from previous employer, the present employer can issue a consolidated Form 16 and 12BA, on which an ITR can be filed. Number 9. Mandatory filing of an ITR in certain cases. In the following cases, the ITR filing is mandatory. 1. Payment of electricity bills aggregating over 1 lakh rupees. 2. Deposit of more than 1 crore, aggregate in one or more current bank accounts. 3. Spent more than 2 lakh rupees in aggregate on overseas travel for self or any other person. And the last number 10. Implications of non-filing of ITR by due date. If the ITR filing date is missed for whatever reason, it may result in fine and penalty, interest on the balance tax liability, ineligibility to carry forward certain losses, and so on. Please subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.